Hey everyone, I'm here to show you this Gobot electric mop that I picked up on Amazon. This is what the box looks like. It goes for around $50 for Prime members. There's a sale and a coupon, so be sure to check it out if you're interested. And let's open this up and look at some of the features. Obviously comes with an instruction manual. It's got the pole attachments here. I'll just take these out right now. It's got a power adapter. And it's not like USB or anything. This is proprietary. And here is the mop itself. Let's see. So you can see this is the stick that you're going to be holding on to after I extend it. But you can swivel this 180 degrees. See that? So this will help with getting it under your sofa, under your tables, your chairs, and whatnot. And this way as well. And up front is an LED light that can light the way if it's a little dark or gloomy. It uses basically Velcro on the bottom of these spinners to attach these scrubbers and polishers to these circular motorized things right here. So basically they spin after you attach it, and that's how it mops and cleans your floors, your hardwood floors, your granite, windows, and tiles, okay? So let me attach this. So you can see there is a little plug on the inside. It's like an extension. Nice snap. Then this will go like so. Again, another nice snap. And that's pretty much it for assembly. Let me put some of these scrubbers on the bottom. So let me open this one right here. I like that it gives me this and this. So this is a little bit more abrasive for things that are hard to clean and things that are stuck on your floors and tiles and windows and whatnot. And this is more like a traditional mop that can absorb liquid and help polish. And these are washable, so they can be reused. And you can see there's no lining up or anything with the Velcro. Like this whole thing can be attached. You just put it on and go. So here it is. I'm just going to put it on, and now it's on. You see how tight that is? Those three Velcro spots are holding onto it pretty tightly, and I'll do the same here, just like that, and I'm ready to go. So let me see. There's a simple switch right here. And there it is. And you can see the light right over here. And I'm applying some pressure, and this thing is still spinning. So this is pretty powerful. I haven't even charged it out of the box. Okay. Let me try it on the floor and we'll wrap it up.